Hi guys, so for Friday, which is Good Friday, I'm hosting my family. So I think I won't make dinner. We're just going to have a big lunch, and maybe if I'm hungry, I'll eat the leftovers. So now I have woken up quite early because I have quite a few things to do before the guests come. The beef is already cooking in the pot, and now I am just peeling the potatoes because I'll make fries as well, because I'm making ugali, beef, fries, salad. There'll be cake, so there's no need to make like a dessert or something. Yeah, I think that's enough because I don't want to overwork myself because I'm tired. So sitaki kupika vitu mingi complicated, but I think that would be enough because we'll be like 9 people, including me and my husband. So yeah, I guess I don't know, like, should I include this part of me speaking to you in the video, or should I just do what I've been doing with the rest of the videos that I've filmed earlier this week, just the hands and the cooking motions and everything. I'll think about it. I'll think about it when I am doing the cooking and stuff. I've written a list of everything that I need to do today before people get here. Just enough to feel less anxious. They're coming for the first time in a very long time, so I want things to be clean. Oh my god, I'm becoming my mother. But yes, just clean, presentable, etc. I'm not saying that I've been living in a pigsty, but I feel like things could be better. Like they could look a bit more organized. So we're going to do that, and then you'll see later on in the day we'll just be cleaning and everything. I think they're going to get here maybe by 12 or 1. So we have to hustle. Okay, bye. Wait. Broken a glass. Oh my god. Anyway, so I have decided to add the food that I'm going to make to the what I ate this week video, which I think might go up before this, and then just have a whole other different video for, is it Easter or something? I don't want to center it around Easter, but it's probably going to begin today. Maybe a snippet of something that came 2 or 3 days ago that I want to show you guys. And then if you've seen my last video, you know what I'm talking about. And then we'll see how it goes. So this whole area right here is a bit messy, so I have to clean all of this then I start cooking and whatever. So the house is clean, the dishes are done, and nyama imechemka. As you've seen, I've already started making the fries. I'm thinking maybe I should do something like garlic fries. I don't know. It was a recipe I saw on TikTok. Oh, not on TikTok, on YouTube, from what's her name? Phil's Kitchen, garlic, whatever. But I don't know. I might do that and then maybe tweak it a few bits. Yeah. And sindio tufanye hivyo ndio zisikie basic. I think we're going to do that. So while the fries are cooking, and the last bit of water in the pot with the meat is, I want it to evaporate. So while it's doing that, okay, let me show you. See this little bit of water left. While it's doing that, I'm going to start preparing the kitungu, the onions, garlic, hoho, ginger, just the basics, because I don't want to make a very complicated stew. And I think it's going to be dry fry. So the broth that was from the meat, I'll put it in a jug, and I'm going to use it later with another recipe or something. And I'm waiting for it to cool down, and then I'll store it in the fridge. I have changed from making ugali, and we'll now be making rice. So also with the rice, I don't want to make it like too plain. So I think I'm going to make, I'm going to add a bit of cumin to my rice, and then fry up some of the onions before add the cumin, and then add the rice. I think I was also thinking of adding carrots, but I'm not sure if that's a lot of things to add to a dish. A dish like just plain rice. But I think we'll see. We'll see how I feel by the time I get to making the rice. So I think I'm going to remove the bones because naona zinanijazia sufuria bure. Okay, I'll leave two. I've taken out three. I have left two. I think that's okay. I'm going to add enough because I don't want the meat to stick to the sufuria, for it to be able to glide. Okay, then I'm going to let it brown for a few minutes while stirring. Remember, the goal is not to have it stick on the sufuria. So I'm going to leave it for a few minutes, go brown, and then like you got the brown hard. Is it hard, like medium hard texture, nata color? Then I'll come back to. Then I'll put the onions and the garlic and the ginger and all the good stuff. I got this yesterday at China Square, and I'm so excited to use it because for the longest time I've been looking for a pestle and mortar, and every time I get to the supermarket or the shop with with utensils and etc. Nasahau. And then I remember after I've left. So yesterday I was at China Square because I was looking for plates, paper plates, because I didn't want to do the dishes today, so I was able to use paper plates. So I got paper plates, paper cups, and then I saw this and I was like, this is the brown color that you want. Inakaa kidogo kama nyama choma, but it's not nyama choma. I've just fried it in a pan with oil. I'm going to add the onions. So this is what it's looking like before it cooks. Chili flakes, garam masala. Put this on top like that. The heat is not on. It's just going to soften, I guess, with the heat from the cooked meat. I like sprinkling the seeds of hoho like this. And then I'm just going to cover it. Alafu when I come back to heat, then the hohos will cook a little. I just don't want to cook them all the way through. Nataka zikuwe a bit crunchy. I won't be doing the garlic fries because there'll be too much garlic on in the food, because the fries will have garlic, the beef will have garlic. So I didn't want a garlic meal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up a few spices and then just pour them on top of the fries and just toss them around. Paprika, oregano, just a little bit, pepper. So fries are ready, the beef is ready. Now I have to make both rice and ugali. So a small ugali and maybe 1 cup of rice for anyone who doesn't want to eat the ugali or the fries. I like soaking my lettuce in vinegar to kill the germs while I prepare the rest of the vegetables. And then I just mix it around and then push it to the side for a few minutes. And now when it's time to put the salad together, I pour out the water with the vinegar, rinse out the lettuce, and then I just mix it up together. If you like, you can also add some lemon juice, some vinegar later on when you're prepping the salad as part of the salad dressing. The bowl is small. So I'm going to dump that in here. And then, look at this avocado. Look at this avocado. I'm going to do this. I'll scoop it out with a spoon. To sprinkle some lemon juice. This is our salad. Violence. And I'm going to add to you. Happy birthday